Good morning students, welcome to class 7 mathematics. Last day we have discussed about ratio, that is what is ratio, in which case we can construct ratio like that. Today we are going to talk about equivalent ratio. What is equivalent ratio? Suppose there are two ratios. One is 2:3, another one 4:7. We have to check these two ratios are equivalent or not. How to check? First, convert each ratio into fraction. 2:3, that is 2/3, 4:7, 4/7. Now convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. LCM of 3 and 7, 21. Now divide 21 by 3, you will get 7. So 2 into 7 by 3 into 7, and if you divide 21 by 7, you will get 3. So 4 into 3 by 7 into 3. So this one equals to 14 by 21. This one equals to 12 by 21. Now 14 by 21 is greater than 12 by 21. So these two values are not equal. So 2:3 and 4:7 are not equivalent. Not equivalent or not equal. Now what is its implementation? Suppose there are two factors. One is the height of a tree. Another one is the length of shadow. Now it is given there are two trees. Height of the first tree is 60 centimeter and the length of its shadow is 10 centimeter. And height of the second tree is 12 centimeter. Now it is asked what is the length of the shadow. How to check? As these two are same kind of quantities, both are the height and these two also. So ratio of 60 and 12, 60 by 12 equals to 5 by, no need to find the ratio, you can directly solve it. Suppose if I take length equals to x centimeter. So 60 is to 12. This ratio is equals to 10 is to x. Now if you solve it, 60 by 12 equals to 10 by x. Now if you cross multiply, 60x equals to 120. or x equals to 120 by 60 equals to 2. Therefore, the length of the shadow of the second tree is 2 centimeter. So in this way, we can apply the equality of two ratios. This also called, if these two ratios are equal, these are also called, they are in proportion. They are in proportion. Now do some selected problems of exercise 8.1. Number 1, find the ratio of number A, rupees 5 to 50 paise. We have to find out the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise. Now, one is in rupee, another one is paise. So, first of all, we have to convert either rupees into paise or paise into rupees. We are converting rupees to paise. So rupees 5 is equals to 500 paise. Now their ratio, what is the ratio? 500 paise is to 50 paise. This one equals to 500 paise by 50 paise, paise out, 550, 10, here is 1. So this one equals to 10 is to 1. Next, number B, 30 days to 36 hours. We know that in a day there are 24 hours. So 30 days equals to 30 into 24 hours. This equals to 720 hours. Now what is the required ratio? 720 hours is to 36 hours. Now this one equals to 720 hours by 36 hours. Hours out. 36 to the 72. So here is 20, here is 1. So our required ratio 20 is to 1. Now the third one, 20 kilogram to 500 gram. Now 20, as we know, 20 kilogram equals to 20,000 gram and 500 gram. Now what is the required ratio? 20,000 gram is to 500 gram is equals to 20, converting to fraction, 20,000 gram by 500 gram, gram out, 20 out, 5 240, here is 1. So required ratio 40 is to 1. In this way, we can find any ratio. Number 2, in a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Here, ratio of number of computers to the number of students is same. So as we don't know how many computers needed, let number of computers needed X. So 3 computers for every 6 students. 3:6. This one equals to. One thing you have to remember, in both the ratio, same, that is, here we have taken number of computer first. So in this case, you also have to be taken number of computers first. So number of computers, we have taken X is to how many students? 24 students. Now 3/6 equals to X by 24. This can be written as 6x equals to 72 or x equals to 12. So how many computers needed? 12 computers. 12 computers will be needed. Got it? Now next, if 5 marbles cost ₹20, what is the cost of 17 marbles? So we are taking number of marbles first. So let the cost be ₹X. So number of marble here 5 is to amount 20. This one equals to number of marble 17 is to X, or 5/20 equals to 17/X, or 5x equals to 340, or x equals to 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, x equals to 68. Therefore, what is the cost of 17 marbles? The cost is ₹68. In this way, we can solve any problem with the help of ratio.